Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to open up audio effects, which are just an equalizer on Motorola Edge Plus. Firstly, double pull from the top of your screen to bottom, and now search for the audio effect button. If you cannot find it, just tap on the pencil here. And now search for the audio effects tile on the bottom. It's here, so just hold it and drag it to the top now, and here we can just release. Now we can go back, and here is our audio effects tile. Now we can just tap on it, press and hold it, right? And done. Allow settings, and you can select which type of thing you would like to have. So let's try everything once again. So you double pull. Now tap on audio, press and hold the audio effects tile, tap on settings, and now you can turn off auto. And let's say you would like to watch a movie, then you can just tap on pencil icon, and here you can change equalizer profile. You can increase the bass boost or stereo widening, volume leveler, and yeah, you can just play with the app to check out by yourself. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have no questions, let us know in the comments.